Welcome to Tech Goods, the best louvered pergolas in 2026, perfect for transforming your outdoor space with style, comfort, and smart functionality. Whether you want adjustable shade, modern design, or all-weather durability, we have selected the top options worth your attention this year. Stay with us to discover the best choices for your backyard upgrade. Links in the description. Number 5. The Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola with Solar LED is a thoughtfully designed outdoor structure that combines modern style with practical functionality. Built with a durable metal frame, this pergola is engineered to handle changing weather conditions while maintaining a clean and contemporary appearance. Its sturdy construction provides reliable stability, making it a strong addition to patios, gardens, or backyard entertainment areas. One of the standout features is the adjustable louvered roof system. Using a smooth hand crank mechanism, the louvers can be positioned anywhere between 0 and 90 degrees, allowing precise control over sunlight, shade, and ventilation. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt the space throughout the day, whether enjoying bright sunshine or creating a cool shaded retreat. The integrated solar LED lighting system enhances usability after sunset. Equipped with 3 brightness levels, the light strips allow users to set the right mood for relaxing evenings, outdoor dining, or social gatherings. The detachable control panel supports both solar and USB Type-C charging, offering convenient power options. Solar charging can keep the lighting active for approximately 6 to 8 hours, adding energy-efficient convenience. Another practical feature is the hidden drainage system, which directs rainwater away from the roof to prevent pooling. This ensures comfort during light rain and helps protect the structure over time. Installation includes canopy components, louvers, and mounting materials, though foundation materials are not included. Overall, the Causeway Bay Metal Louvered Pergola with Solar LED delivers versatility, weather resistance, and modern outdoor comfort, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a functional yet stylish outdoor upgrade. Number 4. The Kozyard Elizabeth White Outdoor Louvered Aluminum Rainproof Pergola with adjustable roof is a stylish and highly functional solution for enhancing any outdoor living space. Designed with both durability and comfort in mind, this 12 by 14 foot pergola offers generous coverage, making it ideal for patios, decks, gardens, and backyard seating areas. Its clean white finish and modern structure blend easily with a wide range of outdoor decor styles. Constructed from a powder-coated aluminum frame, the pergola delivers impressive strength while remaining resistant to rust and corrosion. The engineered design provides stability even in challenging weather conditions, with wind resistance rated up to 65 miles per hour. Steel louvers add extra durability and ensure reliable performance throughout all seasons. The adjustable louvered roof is the highlight of this pergola. Users can easily open or close the louvers to control sunlight, airflow, and shade levels. When fully closed, the roof creates a rainproof shelter, allowing outdoor activities to continue comfortably during wet weather. This flexibility makes the pergola suitable for both warm, sunny days and cooler evenings. An integrated drainage system further improves practicality by channeling rainwater through built-in gutters and posts, helping keep the space underneath dry and comfortable. Assembly is designed to be straightforward, with prefabricated components, expansion bolts for cement installation, and clear instructions supported by online guidance. Although anchor and foundation materials are not included, the provided hardware simplifies setup. Overall, the Kozyard Elizabeth Pergola combines durability, adjustable comfort, and modern design, making it an excellent investment for homeowners seeking a versatile and long-lasting outdoor structure. Number 3. The Green Forever Louvered Pergola with metal adjustable louvered roof and gutter system is a versatile outdoor structure designed to bring comfort, flexibility, and durability to modern outdoor living spaces. Built with an all-aluminum framework, this pergola offers excellent resistance to rust, corrosion, and changing weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for year-round outdoor use. Its clean and functional design blends well with patios, gardens, decks, and yards, while also serving as a practical shelter for multiple purposes. A key highlight of this pergola is its independently adjustable louvered roof system. Equipped with 2 hand cranks, the louvers can be adjusted smoothly from 0 to 75 degrees. This allows users to control sunlight, shade, and airflow throughout the day based on personal comfort. Whether fully open for maximum sunlight, partially angled for ventilation, or completely closed for protection, The system provides excellent adaptability. The hidden drainage system adds another layer of convenience by directing rainwater through the internal columns and safely away from the structure. This design prevents water accumulation on the roof and reduces structural stress during rainy weather. The sturdy aluminum construction, combined with expansion screws for secure anchoring, enhances overall stability and long-term performance. Installation includes anchor and mounting materials along with the louvers, although foundation materials are not included. The pergola is available in multiple sizes, offering spacious coverage suitable for gatherings, relaxation, or even use as a carport. Overall, the Green Forever Louvered Pergola delivers strong construction, flexible shade control, and dependable weather protection, making it an excellent addition for anyone seeking a functional and stylish outdoor retreat. Number 2. The Mirador 111S 10-foot WX13 FT DE Motion Pergola with Louver roof delivers a premium outdoor experience by combining smart technology with modern architectural design. Constructed from durable aluminum, this pergola is built to withstand changing weather conditions while maintaining a sleek and maintenance-free appearance. Its contemporary structure makes it an attractive centerpiece for patios, decks, or backyard lounging areas. One of the most impressive features is the fully powered louver system. Unlike manual designs, the louvers operate through remote control, allowing effortless adjustment for shade, sunlight, and airflow. The louvers open up to a precise 93-degree angle, offering excellent ventilation and flexibility throughout the day. With the touch of a button, users can quickly adapt the environment to match weather conditions or personal comfort preferences. The pergola also includes integrated RGB LED lighting that enhances nighttime usability. The lighting system allows adjustment of both color and brightness, making it easy to create different moods for relaxing evenings, outdoor dining, or social gatherings. Controlled remotely, the lighting adds convenience while elevating the overall outdoor atmosphere. A waterproof roof design paired with an integrated gutter system ensures effective rain management by channeling water away from the seating area. This feature allows continued outdoor enjoyment even during wet conditions. The electrical components operate on a safe, low-voltage system, supporting reliable performance and energy efficiency. Anchor and mounting materials are included for installation, though foundation materials are not provided. Overall, the Mirador 111 SE Motion Pergola stands out for its advanced automation, stylish design, and all-weather functionality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a luxurious and technologically enhanced outdoor retreat. Number 1. The Bond Pergola. Motorized aluminum louver pergola is a modern outdoor structure designed to combine convenience, durability, and elegant style. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, this freestanding pergola offers excellent resistance to rust, stains, and weather-related wear, making it a reliable long-term alternative to traditional wooden pergolas. Its clean architectural design complements a variety of outdoor settings, including patios, poolside areas, gardens, and outdoor dining spaces. A major highlight of this pergola is its fully motorized louver system. The adjustable louvers rotate smoothly, allowing users to control sunlight, shade, and airflow with ease. This flexibility helps create a comfortable outdoor environment throughout the day, whether enjoying bright sunshine or seeking cooling shade. The heavy-duty double-layer construction enhances structural strength while maintaining a refined appearance. Integrated waterproof LED lighting extends usability into the evening hours. The built-in lighting system creates a welcoming atmosphere for gatherings, outdoor meals, or relaxing nights outside. The pergola also features a strong center beam capable of supporting a residential ceiling fan up to 30 pounds, adding another level of customization for improved comfort in warmer climates. The aluminum frame is finished with an outdoor-grade powder coating that requires minimal maintenance while preserving its sleek look over time. Installation is simplified with included brackets, anchoring hardware, assembly tools, and detailed instructions. Although foundation materials must be prepared separately for proper stability and wind resistance. Available in multiple sizes and color options, the Bond Pergola Motorized Aluminum Louver Pergola delivers functionality, durability, and modern convenience, making it an excellent choice for upgrading any outdoor living space. Thank you for watching our guide to the best louvered pergolas in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect pergola to upgrade your outdoor living space with comfort and style. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. for more home and outdoor product reviews. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.